Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today, August the 12th, 2020, here to talk about Cardano, get each and every one of you an update on the market, price action from what has occurred since our last video, and then we're going to update you on what we're expecting the market to do going forward. So if you guys appreciate our content, let me plug you in, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, plain and simple. We're here to give you all the simplistic way of forecasting. Yes, I said it. Forecast price movement in the cryptocurrency space without being confused, without using those pointless indicators that simply does not give you the equipment to see where prices are likely to go. You have to do something different, and we're doing that. So make sure you join us. Follow us on our website as well, HueFinancial.com, in order to make sure that you see all of our other content. It's free. All you have to do is become a member, and you'll see all the other cryptocurrency stocks that we're tracking in the market. Now, Cardano. August the 9th was the last video that we did for Cardano. It is in our Cardano playlist, so you can go back and check it out there to see what we talked about, to see what we saw into the market for what we expected the market to do in Cardano going forward. So here we are 3 days in, and this is what the market in Cardano has done. This is what the trap completed since our video in Cardano. We expected some weakness into the market in Cardano, right? But we only saw it to come to support right there around 13.5 cents. So we started out today with a dip all the way down to 12.5. Cool. If you were able to time that precisely, then 13% was in your bag. Congratulations. But we had an ultimate TP on that video 3 days ago at 13.5, 6.32% profitability. Either way it go, profit is good. So congratulations to those who timed it at the very bottom. Congratulations to those who got profit overall. But for this particular forecast, it was 6.32%. Now that's done. That's over. We need to move on and get rid of it. So in that video that we talked about in Cardano on the 9th, we expected the market to really trade in this range. And the breakage of today kind of lets us know from the trap perspective that the market is not all that strong. It's showing us more weakness than it is strength at this present time. Okay. Now, at the conclusion of today, we have 12 hours, 13 hours left before this daily price bar ends. If we're able to close above this line right here, then the market is gaining momentum and strength. If we don't, the market is still weaker. Okay. And since we saw the market come and grab support today at 12 cents, he told you already that this is where the support area is. Don't make it complicated. He shows you precisely what the market wants. It wanted support at 12.5 cents rather than our area at 13.5. Nothing wrong with that. You want him to work for you. And that is how we're going to play this. Okay. So he wants support at 12.5 cents. No big problem. No big deal. 15 cents is still restriction. Might even be around 14.5 too. But what you can see is that the market actually just simply came and widened the sideways trading action. That's all it's done. Okay. Now you may see some people do this on some videos to show you how strong the market in Cardano is trading. There's a lot of areas that you could just plot lines on a chart. But for us, our lines have purpose. It has reasons behind it. So that line is not playing an active role, so why use it? Let's take a look at this one. So the market in Cardano had a couple of touches on that line, right? We started it back on June 27, 28, the market came and touched it. And then once again on the 2nd of August, it touched it again on the 7th. And then we broke it on the 11th. The market changed then. So that's why we're not necessarily seeing a lot of strength into the market in Cardano. We're transitioning over into a consolidational range. Now, this is where one needs to be a little bit more cautious and a little bit more vigilant on looking at the chart, because the strength is broken. 4-hour chart into the market for Cardano, you guys can see that definitely the market wanted to come in and hold support at 12.5 cents. And another thing is that we successfully broke up above 13 cents. So we got some strength coming to the market for the time being in Cardano. I definitely see that. Okay. But I'm not all that confident that we're going to resume a massive movement to the upside above 15 cents. I don't see that right now. Maybe you do. But for us, this is restriction. We're trading there right now into the market for Cardano. So don't expect market strength higher until we see this price break up above 13.5 cents. Now, can the market do it? Good question. So, what do you think? Will the market break up above 13.5 cents? That's the question. That is posed to you. Okay. So, for us, this is what we're going to do. We're going to play the strength into the market in Cardano, but not that strong. Okay. We're going to play the strength into the market in this cryptocurrency. You can see here that 12.5 cents ultimately is the area of support, but we're going to bring it up just a tad higher at 13. Okay. Now, ultimately restriction is at 15 cents. So this is the area we're playing right here. TP is going to be around 14 cents. I'm not going to be precise, maybe a little bit lower than 14 cents, but in or around that area. Okay. Would be TP 3.95%. That's about all I'm seeing into the market for Cardano. Okay. So what do you think? What's your prediction? Definitely would like to read what you all think about Cardano. Do you think it's going to go higher? Do you think it's going to go lower? And if so, give us your TP. Join us. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll see you all on the next one.